Oh, hello po mga Kapinoy. Samahan nyo kung mag-grocery tayo ngayon. Ayan. Be good, both of you. Be good, bye. Alexa, close garage door.
Closing. Hang on. The Sam garage door is closed.
Diyan na yung mailman. Ayun na. Automatic lang gate namin dito bubukas. Ayan. Walang tao, wala security yan. Automatic lang yan. Fahrenheit. Pasok na tayo sa freeway. Mas madali pag freeway imbis na side street. Wala nang traffic light, wala nang dire-diretso na lang. Sasakyan rito matutulin. Yan 130 na. Sarapan pa rin sila. Yan 130 kilometers an hour. Tulin ng mga sasakyan dito. Tayin ko muna. Lagay muna tayo ng gas. Dito sa Amerika iba, ikaw ang maglalagay, walang attendant dito. Ito, lagay natin sa Shell. Oh, battery. Pa kayo ng card na ganito para may discount kayo. Rewards, fuel rewards. Kaya natin. Ayan, I think I like that. Yeah. Ganyan lang, tapos maghintay ka hanggang mag full tank, tapos na. Tapos na. Lagyan pa natin konti. Ayos. $25, 12 gallons. Nope, no receipt. Sa Walmart. Good. Kahit dito sa Amerika, yan, ikaw nang magbabagat sa yung grocery mo. How are you?
Said you're running in here late?
Yeah, it's cold this morning.
I know, it was.
I was
Very
like, I don't
cold.
want to get up.
Right.
And I was like, usually I come in early, so I don't like people around because of the COVID and everything.
Right, yeah.
But I already have my vaccine last week, the second one. All right, I'm already complete. You get 2 shots.
Right.
You can do it 2 days or 2 days after. But if you miss that, you have to start all over again.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
So you want to do exactly how many days after? For the
Well,
first
they'll give you a card
Oh,
when
and
you
yes,
first get your vaccine. They'll give you a card like the CDC card,
Right.
and then they'll put in the back what date you need to come back.
Okay.
But they will call you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why like in the hospital they call me and everything.
nice.
Yeah. And then they'll put you get the Pfizer or the Moderna. You can't interchange them. If you get the Pfizer, you have to get the Pfizer the second time.
What is the difference?
It's a different manufacturing.
Oh.
Pfizer.
Which one do you think is like the best?
They're the same. Pfizer is 95% effective, and Moderna is 94.5 effective.
Oh, so you want the highest one.
You don't
I
have a
mean,
choice.
right,
You don't
okay.
have a choice. You just get what you get.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what Pfizer just came out first a week
Oh,
earlier,
okay,
and
okay.
Moderna just coming out. So if you get the Pfizer, you have to get Pfizer. That's why they have to have the card. They write it down
Oh, okay.
and everything. So that's
Okay.
why. Going to Edwards, I always get my meat at Edwards.
You're
Since
meat at Edwards?
yeah, it seems like it's
Is
cheap.
that at Jacksonville?
No, North Little Rock. There's one here in North Little Rock.
Where?
Is it, after JFK is there's another street after JFK, and is it
Is it Camp Robinson?
yeah, Camp Robinson.
Oh, okay.
It's just right there.
That's
It's
what
like
it sounds like.
it's before Kroger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I always get like the meat like
There is one in Jacksonville.
yeah, I don't go there.
It's only 15 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes, 15
It's closer here, and
Yeah.
like the meat is like it'll be up. Well, they changed tomorrow Wednesday. They still have the pork shoulder, 95 cents a pound.
Oh, wow.
I know there's always good. Ah, mm-hmm.
Sometimes your oil or different things, items, or...
Right. Different things. It's like the avocado now. I think like 38 cents a piece. So I'm going up. I'm going over to get some.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like avocados.
Yes, I do. I love the guacamole.
Yeah, it's like sandwich or
Yeah,
something.
really? Yeah, eat it on an egg or steak.
Yeah, put in a sandwich to make it creamy and
Salad,
everything.
yeah.
I snack them
Put it-
sometimes.
Oh, yes. Put it on a
Just
hamburger.
I put sugar and I'll make them like a snack.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sibuyas. Try muna natin. Dito na tayo sa Edwards. We're just kuha lang tayo ng karne. Bili tayong karne. Saka avocado. Pampunas. Avocado 33 cents. Perfect. Bili tayo 10. Yan, yun, 10. Pagkain dito sa Amerika, kaya mga tao rito tumataba. Hindi lang tayong karne. Last day na nakasil na ito. Yeah man, good. $1.29 a pound. Ito 95 cents. 95 cents a pound. Masyadong malalaki. Ebe. Ito na lang. Paano natin ito? Pwedeng paputol. Papuputol natin to. Okay, 4 piece.
4 pieces.
Yeah, 2 each.
Okay.
Okay, and the individual wrap please.
Yep.
Okay, gracias amigo. Tapos may luto na rin ito. Kuha tayo ng pork chop. Mura lang dito. Ito na lang siguro kainin. Kamu. Ito na lang. Luto na yan. Smoke pa. Kain ko muna to. Tapos na. Uwi na tayo. Almost forgot to wear my mask inside. Kalimutan ko. Almost. Sige. Bago tayo uwi, bili tayo ng loto. Malaki loto ngayon. Yung isa 600 million, yung isa 500 na milyon. Bila lang tayong tig-isang ticket. O sige, mamaya na lang. Ngayon magluto tayo ng kanin. Bago yan, yung lalagyan ko ng kanin medyo ubos na. Lagyan natin ng bigas para ito yung bigas na lalagay natin. No order ko lang yan sa online. Dinideliver pa sa bahay. Putulin na lang natin. Hindi naman natin gagamitin itong sako. Yan. Jasmine rice. Sa atin, pangalan Milagrosa. Galing Thailand to. Tap na lang natin yan mamaya. Tapos lagay natin to. Yan. Pagnin natin yung anat. Tapos dito madali lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ayan. Ano lang natin dyan. Kunin natin yung rice cooker natin. Sa mga Pilipino nasa Amerika, alam ko lahat kayo may rice cooker. Sa akin simple lang. Ayan. Ano yun natin? Hugasan natin. Hugas, hugas. Ayan. Hugasin natin. Malinis naman to. Bigyan natin ng tubig ngayon. Ang pinaka-importante, sukatin natin. Ang technique dyan ay ito, yung unang guhit ng ating kamay. Yan, konti pa ang tubig. Natin, daliri. Yun. Dito lang. Tapos, siguraduhin yung ilalim, hindi basa. Ayan. Saing natin. Ayan. Pindutin lang natin to. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung grocery natin. Tapos niya, mamaya, luto na yan. Pag tumaas na yun, tapos na. O, sige.